Alright guys, time-lapse prospecting again. We are at Succor Creek. We are looking through some mines. We've already hit one or two. Figured we might as well like take you guys along. Check this area out. Whew, so excited I could take a shit. Oh dude, look at that. That is a beautiful area. Oh dude, we are coming back as soon as possible. Yeah dude, that's amazing. Alright John.
Bro.
I know, like that's exactly what we don't have anything to take it with us. What? What are you broing? What are you broing, dude? Oh, that's not gold. Come on. We gotta get going. We can stop on the way back.
It shines like gold?
We can stop on the way back. It very well could be, to be honest.
Bro, that is beautiful.
Yep. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. We got sidetracked. We do that a lot.
Oh, man.
My side's boring.
Oh, yeah.
Got like straight rock wall. Does that looks like there's a cave up there. Yeah, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Good God, Gertie. Rock. There you go. That's all. That's dope. Yeah, that's gonna be a good area. We're gonna come back and I know that's gonna have something. Oh yeah. Spot mark number 1. I just gotta remember when I think I'm too far back, or I'm not far enough back. Just remember to keep driving. Just some ways out here. Alright guys, I'm sure you probably can only hear me now. I'm gonna try to hold you out the window so you can get some better view. You know what? We're gonna try this. Dude, look at that. God damn, that is imposing. Wow. God, look at those rocks just hanging, John. Keep your radio turned off, okay? Your little comp subs would kill us. That's pretty cool. That's sketchy. Oh, hey, look, we can see the moon. You're right out there. Huh, pretty neat. Yep. Alright, we got visitors. Oh man, this is gorgeous. This is some of the most beautiful country I think I've seen. Why have we not been here before? And we're gonna fix that. Campers. Look at it. Yeah, I'm looking. Oh yeah. Mineralization right here. Coming through.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Fellow neighborly peoples. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful. If there's wind, I'm sorry about that. Oh, look at that. There's a big old crack up in there. I wonder what that is. I don't really want to go find out. That's imposing as hell. Alright, dude, I might be a little out of my element up here. This is big. All that black just all set now on that hillside right there. See it? That's weird. I wonder what that... If you guys... See all that black on the side of the hill just out of nowhere? If you guys know what that is, let me know. Like, that's kind of cool. And I don't know what that is. I would really enjoy that knowledge. It looks like there's a cave that goes back, or mine that goes back in too. Okay, well, let's keep going, John. I don't want to waste too much video time. We might stop and go up that way if we get a chance. That might be the geo cave, or the reason we're here. Okay, so they're gonna be around here somewhere, because this looks just perfect for that area. I don't really recall how far up it was. We'll know. It will we'll be like, it's the spot. Sorry, he drives like shit. It's because he's brown. You don't know. It very well could be though.
Yeah, from the video.
Well, there's gonna be a hiking path.
Right there. Up in there.
Someone put those little like rocks up there.
I think that's it.
I don't know. Yeah, we can go look. Yeah. Let's pull over. We'll hike up. That goes up there a ways too. You didn't even watch the video, fool. What are you saying from the videos?
I saw the video.
And no, because this isn't the view it showed when she was panning out, like all these hills. There's caves, but they're not like that. I think it's... I don't think that's it, buddy.
You don't think?
No, but gosh, look at that. That was gorgeous. Beautiful. All right. Hi-ho, Silva. Away! If we don't find something we think is convincing more within just seconds, or no, you're good, bro. You're good. Yeah, just stay on the right-hand side. I missed those two dips.
No, I was talking about getting back up to the road. I don't think this goes back up there.
Yeah, it does. It loops back around. Just have a little faith. Your faith may be misguided, but you know we won't know until we try. Dude, this is sick.
My faith is right. Yours is wrong.
No, look, see, you could like 4x through that. See, people have done it. Look, right there. Bazinga.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I mean, like,
Not my
totally
fucking
doable.
Car, bro.
All right. I mean, I think the fuckers could make it.
If I had my truck, yeah, different story.
I think you can make it. I really do. Actually, I don't. But, you know what? Fuck it. Let's do it. Oh my goodness, it looks like just a big old middle finger. Mother Nature's erection. Behold thine naturey phallus. Oh, that was a good save, Austin. Oh my goodness, look at that rock just perched up there. Sketch City. Super Sketch City. Oh, hey, whoa, easy, Speed Racer. I'm proud of you. I meant go faster. No, don't. Stop. Don't stop. This is beautiful, like just the way it's carved. Wow. That's neat. Back up that draw a minute. Entrance or a cave entrance. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's neat. He thinks his side's cooler.
There's cave.
Where? Oh hey, cave. I wonder how far back that goes. Does not look like it goes back further than a couple feet. This is the area where they started finding like the ones right off the road, the big ones and shit with pullouts. Right around here is, I remember this like wooded area, and they had to pull over so they could cook because it was raining. I got this. Hey, mine right there. Ha, right off the side of the road. That goes back like 2.5 feet. Yep. See if we can't get up a little further and get you guys in there. Bazinga. I do see like what looks like a what do you call that? What we're here for?
Yeah.
What are those? Thunder egg. All right, let's go forward. We might. No, that's not a thunder egg. That's cool though. Yup. Yeah, getting back out. Everyone likes to see. Those have pockets though. Those are thunder egg pits. Those are the holes. I mean, those little. They had all the pock marks there.
Okay.
It's from, if I recall correctly. Yep. There's a black spot. That must have a lot of. I don't know.
What do you think?
I think it's gorgeous.
There.
Well, we gotta find some like caves and shit and see, and we should be able to see it from the road. And we'll stop and get out, because this looks and feels like an area that would be, I don't know, man.
Hey, can we go there?
I'm just going. That kinda, no, it doesn't go back further, does it? Look up there though, there's a cave. No, that's not.
There's a path.
We gotta find a path, yeah. Where?
Yeah, I said we gotta find it.
Yeah, because there was kind of a walkway. We're out here on a whim and a will trying to find the Thunder Egg Caves. And we are helplessly guessing, but you know, good times and such.
Bro, look at that.
Wow. There's a big cave up there. Oh, wow. Okay, that's like right here. Holy wall. That just goes. Good Lord. John, don't stop. Oh, no, that just stops right there. That's a chunk out. That's pretty cool, though. Yeah, I didn't go back any further. Oh, dude. Nar. That is... Ooh. What do you say? Nothing gummy. Shut up and let everyone enjoy it. That's not her. I think that's a thundery eggish area, but that's not the area. We probably maybe passed it, who knows. But I'm seeing pock marks all over those walls, so I think we're getting here.
We're getting close. I feel like we're gonna be there.
Whoa, hey, that's a big quartz dugout. Look at that. Yeah, that's all quartz right there at the base. Someone was digging on that hard. That's neat. That's where gold goes. Oh, wow, balanced rock. Get out from under it. I have horrible luck with that. Not up there. Come on. Please. Documented by National Geographic's The Dizzle version. Oh, that's probably Snoop Dogg's thing. I don't think I can say that. It's diamond sized. I'm feeling it. Oh, that was an angelic sound. I think this is where she started her video. This is right where I'm in the video. So, she said a short drive from my location, but I don't know. If you gotta go poop, there's the time to do it. Oh, hey, cool. You could walk across there. Those might be geode caves. This is awesome. We might want to go explore that on our way back if we don't find anything here soon. Because that could be them. Yeah, there's caves up there. A lot of them. And back there, see the fingers that come down?
Yeah.
That might be it. That very well could be it.
Let's drive up here for a second.
Yep, because she didn't show where she... Hey, there's like a little trail like what she walked up, but I don't see any big caves like that. A bunch of penises in the air. Probably gonna have you show me how to edit stuff out, John. I probably shouldn't say that on YouTube. Dope. Gosh darn, there, that goes up quite a ways and there's some big caves. Oh man, yeah, shit's falling down.
Look at that bouncing.
Look at that cave right there. That could be what we're looking for. That's, I believe, exactly what we're looking for, John. Yep, that's it.
Find it?
I think so.
We finally found it.
Maybe, that might be it. And if not, there's some stuff up there. Yeah, let's park and go look.
All right.
Because that looks like there's big geode holes that have just come out.
All right, I'm gonna come up here and turn around.
Yep, you can go a little further if you want. We can see if there's anything else cooler. But like, I think that's
our cave.
That's our cave. And up there looks like a bunch of caves too that are, I don't know how high she walks though. She kind of cut it in and out. Dope sauce!
Oh, look at that.
Super cool stuff.
That
Yeah.
straight up. No, that hole. Like,
I know.
going
I
straight
see it.
up.
I see it. Yeah, the hole going up the rock.
No, right behind this big rock right here, straight up.
Yeah.
Now look.
Oh.
Right behind that.
Oh, okay.
Right to your left.
The entrance thing right there.
No. Right here. Watch. Right here.
Oh, yeah, that big one up there. Yeah, I was looking at it. Yeah. That's some sort of working. I would assume. I mean, it looks to be.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go back.
Yeah, let's at least hit this rock little face. Yeah, I mean, we can go all the way around the big one if you want. I'm in an exploring mood now. I know where we're going. But yeah, we probably should get back to it quite quickly. So where you want to turn around's on you. Yes, John, I agree. I was supposed to call fucking Gary too. That looks promising. That looks like a big ol' hole. Feel the like bubbling eggs things up there? That could possibly quite be it as well. This is the Dominion.
Look at that, bro.
I know. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Little caves right there. Yeah, do you see the two pieces of white float right there on the side of the hill? Yep, that's float. That's what you're looking for.
So you
There's
go up there and look for
that
gold?
means there's a vein up there. Yeah, when we come back for gold. Let's go back that way and turn around, or let's turn around and go back to those holes. We're burning. We're at sunset almost. And I don't.
Aye, Captain.
Well, no, I just don't want us. I want us to at least be heading out with like the last couple bits of light, and we're pushing it.
No, we seem to do that.
Yeah. You gotta think I gotta go down to work tomorrow, and you got awesome sleeping in to do. I mean, it's a day full of uneventful, not planned yetness.
Yeah. Yeah, we're done with the cave.
All right, guys. We are gonna turn around and stuff, and when we find it, we'll let you know. See you soon.